Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today we will read 10 lines on apple. Let's start. My favorite fruit is apple. It is red and green in color. It is sweet in taste. There are small seeds inside it. It is sweet and tasty. It is good for our health. An apple is full of vitamins. It makes our body strong. We can make jam from it. I eat an apple a day. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos, please visit my channel. Thank you.